I have something cool for you. Meet the new Felt bike Felt VERZA Speed 40 2020. The VERZA Speed 40 has been updated for the model year 2020 with a wider gearing range for better climbing and better gears on the flat. The disc brakes give dependable and confidence-inspiring braking for a great overall package. The VERZA Speed 40 is built and spec'd for fitness, versatility, and fun. The bike is built with a flat road handlebar for confident handling and an aluminum frame and fork that are both durable and lightweight. Great around town, as a commuter, and for workouts, it's the perfect bike for any occasion. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.